Hello, in this video I am talking about fever. What is fever and its treatment in homeopathy? Fever is a common symptom characterized by an elevation in body temperature above the normal range, typically over 100.4 F or 38 C. It is often a response to infection or inflammation in the body. Fever can be caused by various factors, including infections, viral, bacterial, fungal, or parasitic infections. Inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or lupus. Heat stroke, overexposure to high temperatures. Medications, certain drugs can cause fever as a side effect. Other conditions, fever can also be a sign of other underlying health issues. Symptoms associated with fever. Elevated body temperature, generally measured with a thermometer. Chills or shivering, often experienced as the body tries to raise its temperature. Sweating, as the body attempts to cool down. Headache, commonly associated with fever. Muscle aches, general discomfort and pain. Weakness and fatigue, feeling tired and lethargic. Homeopathic treatments for fever. Homeopathy is a system of medicine based on the principle of like cures like, using highly diluted substances to stimulate the body's healing processes. For treating fever, homeopathic remedies are chosen based on the specific symptoms and overall condition of the individual. Here are some commonly used homeopathic remedies for fever. Aconite indications. Fever with a sudden onset, often following exposure to cold weather or a traumatic event. Symptoms may include restlessness, anxiety, and a high fever that comes on rapidly. Belladonna indications: high fever with a flushed face, dilated pupils, and sensitivity to light. Symptoms may include throbbing headaches, skin that feels hot to the touch, and a general feeling of heat. Apis mellifica indications: fever with symptoms of swelling, especially in areas that feel hot and sore. The patient might experience a burning sensation with intense thirst and restlessness. Bryonia indications: fever with dry, cracked lips and a tendency to be irritable. The patient may experience pain that worsens with movement and prefers to stay still. Dulcemium indications: fever with symptoms of weakness, dullness, and a feeling of heaviness. The patient may feel drowsy, with flu-like symptoms and a general sense of malaise. General recommendations for using homeopathy. Consult a professional. It is important to consult with a qualified homeopath or healthcare provider to choose the most appropriate remedy based on individual symptoms and overall health. Monitor symptoms. Keep track of fever symptoms, including any changes in temperature, associated symptoms, and overall condition. Complementary approach. Homeopathy can be used alongside conventional treatments. For high or persistent fevers, it is crucial to seek medical advice to identify and treat the underlying cause. Hydration and rest. Regardless of the treatment approach, maintaining hydration and rest is important in managing fever.